Hey YouTube, just got home from work and it's raining really bad, so kind of a dumb thing I want to do, but might be really fun. Let's see if I can make it from down here on the road to the top of the hill on the Navi. So cross your fingers, hope I don't break anything. Let's go. Oh, shut the turn signal off. Alright, we made it up there. Let's go. We're still going. Woohoo! Ooh, slippery, slippy. Well, there you go. Wet mud nastiness all the way up top to my road to the garden and the jerk of a neighbor. So there you go. Like and subscribe, leave comments below. Thanks for watching.